to talk about something incredibly important to our daily life, being information literate.
Every day we're surrounded by information, whether it's news from around the world, updates from friends and family, or advice on social media information is constantly at our fingertips. But how do we know what is right?
So what is information literate individual?
Information literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, use information effectively and responsibly. It's about knowing how to separate fact from opinions, how to identify reliable sources, and how to make informed decisions based on the information we receive. The information literate individual critical evaluate the credibility and bias of the information, access reliable sources, and use media tools responsibly. They communicate effectively, respect ethical standards, and engage truthfully in the digital world, all while understanding the broader impact of media on the societies.
There are some ways on how to become an information literate.
Knowing what information you need.
Finding the right source to gather that information.
Evaluating the credibility and relevance of the information.
Using the information ethically and effectively.
First, it's important to understand the kind of information you're looking for. Are you trying to make a decision, solve a problem, or just stay important? Being clear about your purpose will do research.
The next, find reliable sources. This might mean checking multiple websites, looking at books or academic articles, or even asking experts. Remember, not all information online is accurate or trustworthy.
Then, evaluate the information. Ask yourself, is the source credible? Is the information up to date? Is there any bias? Being critical of the information you find helps you avoid misinformation.
Finally, use the information ethically and effectively. This means sharing accurate information, giving credit to original sources, and applying what you've learned to make better decisions.
As an information literate individual, we can spread awareness about the important news or important issue. We can share knowledge to everyone. We can teach them to understand about facts and opinions and detect false information. We can use our talent to make positive impact to our communities and societies as a whole. Thank you for taking time to learn with us. Together, let us make our community stay informed and empowered.